YouTube. Today we will finally start to create a game itself. First, we need to create a separate class which will be in charge of the game view. Let's call it Game View Manager. In this class, we have to create a separate stage, scene, and pane for our game view. Now let's define our constructor. We could initialize these fields directly in the constructor, but more elegant way is to do it in a separate method. In the scene constructor, we have to pass our pane and the scene width and scene height. So let's create these two constants, one to define stage width and one to define stage height. Now we have to pass these values in this scene constructor. Now let's initialize our game stage. And let's set this scene. We want our ship to be controlled by arrow keys. In order to achieve that, we will create two listeners which will listen to pressing and releasing left and right arrow keys. Let's create a separate method which will initialize these listeners. These listeners will be created for our game stage. I mean game scene. As you can see, I am not using setOnAction method as usual. This time I use setOnKeyPressed and setOnKeyRelease methods because these are the values I want to listen for. In this method we are passing a event handler anonymous class which is parameterized with keyEvent class. We do the same thing for setOnKeyReleased. In each listener, we want to check which key was pressed or released. We can do it using simple if statement. key event object holds information about the key, so all we have to do is to get this information and compare them with JavaFX key code in value. And that's all. This video is about to end, so I'd like to invite you to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and leave a comment. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.